He took out the engine and the spinning blade and set powerful lasers onto a plastic bracket that placed them in a grid pattern. This was then mounted onto the lawnmower, and he attached each laser to a battery. Next, he pushed it over a small planter of grass, and it actually cut it clean. But when he rolled it onto a real lawn, the mower just bent the grass instead of cutting it. You see, lasers need time on one spot to cut through, but the grass just kept moving, meaning it didn't really work.